this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your application to your table by creating a table record placeholder. So this is a really small step, but it's a really important one, because if you don't create a table record placeholder, you won't be able to read from or write to a table. So let me show you how to do that now. So the first thing that we're going to do is navigate instead from the steps table, or steps pane right here, over into the records pane. So I'll click on records right here. You'll see that we have this new empty field that just has the option to add a table. So what I'm going to do right here is tell the application that I want to interact with a particular table. So I'm going to click on add a table right here. It's going to give me this drop down menu right here, and when I click on it, you'll see that I now have access to all of the tables that are associated with my account. So what this is allowing me to do is say, I would like to read and write from this particular table. So we're not pushing it to some generic data source with a sort of predetermined data model. We're pushing our information only to the data sources that we determine and with the data models that we've created ourselves. So now that I've found it, I can click on Introduction App Table right here. And now this application is connected to this table. I'm free to read and write from it. But I have one more thing that I need to do first. So before I do anything, I need to create a record placeholder. So I'm going to do that by clicking on the plus sign right here, and then creating the placeholder. So I want to name it. And quickly, I'll just name this current entered text, and then we will add record placeholder. So the mechanics behind this aren't necessarily as important as knowing that in order to interact with this table, you need to use this record placeholder. I'll link out to other content to help you understand exactly what's happening with record placeholders, and I'll help you understand what's going on underneath the hood. But for right now, just know that in order to write and read from this table, we're going to need to first create a table record placeholder.